Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor and welcome to my channel. I just showed you all the colors I'm using on these beautiful hexagon tiles. So I will put resin on these and back them with cork. And this is a video for the Color Art Spring Fling event. So basically Color Art is having all of their artists do a video, and there's a little phrase in each video, and when you put the phrase together you can enter to win some really great prizes. So I'm showing you a few different things. So I'm going to show you this tile set, and I think that Color Art pigment, the primary elements, are so unique. I've never encountered another pigment that behaves quite like Color Art. So different pigments are great for different reasons, and I love using the primary element alongside some different acrylics in kind of the Sheely bloom technique that you're seeing here. And then after this, I'm going to show you the other way I've been using them a lot, which is in a thin paint application for a pearl painting. And it's kind of taking advantage of how these paints tend to sort of bleed and blend. And here, I actually usually mix a little bit of acrylic into my primary elements when I'm using them in the bloom technique, because it kind of keeps them from transferring quite as much. And I know that there's some other ways that you can kind of control that. So it's really just a beautiful, versatile product, as everybody here knows. And here's the end result for the tiles. And I love these. I love the way they turned out with these different vibrant colors. That jasmine and the spicy apricot together are so pretty. And then kind of these grounded, kind of earthy colors to go alongside them. So next up, I'm going to show you the melting pearls with pigment. And you'll kind of see how the pigments behave in this technique as well. We'll start with the colors here. So that's my white pearl base coat. As you can see, these are very watery, very, very thin. That's just a nice burnt umber and Mars black combination. And then this is green gold by Soho. And I mixed in a little bit of green gold by Golden Fluid as well to kick it up. That's Amsterdam turquoise green. And I always use this Charvin Indigo, one of my favorite dark paints. That is Color Art. It's Oceanic mixed with Color Art Payne's Gray. And it's gorgeous. And then that is, that's a really pretty violet by Amsterdam. I mixed in a little bit of Prussian blue. And there's our phrase, you guys. So add that to your phrase list for the prizes for the Color Art Spring Team event. And this is just a 12 by 12 canvas. I did add a little bit of white to go down first. That's just Modern Masters Iridescent Gold mixed with Titanium White by Golden Fluid. And I'm going to go in with my colors, and here's the pigment. I like to sandwich it between a few different acrylics. And you're going to see what it does. It really kind of transfers out and bleeds into the pearls, into the base coat. It's just really, really pretty effect. I've never encountered another paint or pigment that behaves quite this way, so I find it very intriguing. And it's just another really fun thing to do with your pigments. So I hope you guys like this and have a really beautiful day. There's a bunch of links down below to the Color Art event to win. This is happening in April of 2022. So if you're seeing this later than that, then the contest has already happened. And there's my Patreon account with teaching content and all sorts of great ways to support me below. I love that you're here. Thanks for being with me, and take great care. Okay, bye.
you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 7789? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you.